Don, the installation is not being done in the E drive, right?
Yeah. Does it say anything else?
No, you selected the Java development kit from C drive.
All right. Yeah, that is the medium. Medium I'm selecting from there, but installing in E drive here.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the
stored in?
Yeah, because of installation medium I copied in C drive, right? So
right.
what is the SID you are going to use? Pardon? PSY. So I give the same SID, right? And the next. Yeah, after we install. No, you don't have to sit and do this. After we install. Yeah. Install means we start the installation. Then you have to come back after 12 hours. No, approximately maybe 10 hours. Maybe. Yeah. But in office environment, it will be faster. Why? Huh? Because you have powerful hardware. Second thing is, this is a IDES system, right? So it has a lot of data. So there are some conditions here. Yeah, okay, fine. So password for all the users. Did I give password at the beginning? No. You didn't ask? Or maybe somewhere else. Okay, so password I am giving is open boot 1. It asks for one number within 8 characters. Open boot 1. That is the password. Okay. All lowercase open boot 1. So next. And meanwhile, this is while this is installing, you have to install SAP GUI on your desktop, right? So because here you are installing you already installed the database layer. Now you are installing the application layer. At the same time, presentation layer also have to be installed in the same machine because you are not connected to the network yet, right? Because it's not ready. So if you want to do testing, you have to log on from SAP log on here. During installation, it will give problems, so you log in from here, right? Yeah.
I missed what you said. You said we have done the database layer.
Yeah.
And OS layer.
No, database layer and the application layer we are installing, and we have to have a presentation layer also to log in, right? So that we can install anytime useful, anytime convenient for you, right?
Yeah, that's a standard. You can do it afterwards too, right?
Yeah, afterwards also. Yeah.
You can do it prior to the installation.
Yeah, at the time also you can do. So it's asking for it's trying to connect to the database now. It's looking for a database. So it's asking for the database ID. So what is the database ID we created when we install Oracle? What is the database ID we created? PSY. So we give the same name. Same thing. Because it is trying to connect to the database. And the database server name, in this case, we install in the same machine. So PRD system. But if it is in a different machine, then you have to give the machine name also, right? So next question is connecting to database. DB and DB host. at this time, waiting time, if you want, you can sing a song, we can listen. Right?
And ask you to the honors, you can sing.
Like in the movies and in between they put songs, right? Like that. Okay. So now it's asking for the export CD1. So we move this here, export CD1. Then browse. Export CD1. It has label under that. So I can either select this or select this, whatever you like, right? So export CD1 directory is there. Then you say OK. Then export CD5. Browse. Okay. Okay, right? Then OK. Then 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So done. At the uwinpro.com site, we have a lot of small videos and quizzes related to the videos, right? Why don't you watch those videos and answer those questions? uwinpro.com, right? Nowadays when people call, they say, we went and watched your video, we like it, and we want to join. So it's working now. Working means people are watching the video and then joining.
Yeah, that's what made me watch. I mean,
Oh, you also watched? Oh,
I watch other people.
oh. So it's working now. So it took about 6-7 months to work. But, so yeah.
Put a beautiful girl on.
Good?
Yeah, they put a beautiful girl and people get all these hits.
Oh.
Sometimes it's totally unrelated. Yeah, say this is a new instructor.
Fun? Sorry, it's gone so much. News. So there are 5,000 something here. But highest hit for this, right? Only for 4 months, only 6 months, I think, right? So it's working. So I have to make some more videos. And also like we have videos and also we have a quiz here, right? So I will put more quiz if you answer quiz, right? So try to answer, say, basis TMS. Fun, where? Yes, somewhere there. Install this HANA. So, yeah, basis client copy. Client copy we didn't do yet, right? Administration basis.
John, this is second last from the bottom.
This one? Yeah, so you have a lot of questions here, right? So answer, you watch the video and answer, and put the right email so that I will get your results. Okay, so PSY and the 00 is what? 00 is central service. It's not instance, central service, right? This is central service. So central instance is going to be 01 here. You already selected 01, right? By default, a port is assigned to each instance. So when the system is accessing or you are accessing, you are using that particular port 32001 or something, right? So we don't want to change that. So we don't want to change anything. Solution manager key is asking now. So we have to put the solution manager key. So we already generated solution manager key. Using solution manager, we can do that. But it will ask us a few questions. What is your system ID? What is your host name? What is the instance number? Primary instance, central instance. Then when we give that, it generates a number, right? So next. When everything is ready, then it's easy for you, right? Right. So that's why you keep everything ready before you start. Right? Like you're making something at home, cooking, then you buy everything and keep, right? Then only start, right? Otherwise you start something and go and buy something and come. So now this is asking for this one. What is that? Kernel NW 2004. So click on this, go to C drive, NW4. This is the one, right? So select the first. Select i86. Windows i86. Yeah, i86, right? Table is there. Okay. Then Oracle client is simple for you. Oracle client. Label S is there. So Oracle client. Okay. So Oracle client. So now it's okay. So it's like a small, what he's going to do sort of thing, right? Yeah. So I say this is the destination, all those, where it's going to copy. If you want to change anything, you can do, but I accept everything default. Next. Now Java component. I think most probably this is the last step. Java component B 2005. That is the one. That's labeled, right? I think that's the one. We'll select it. So it's asking whether you have a system landscape already. So in our case, we don't have a system landscape already for this to connect, right? So we say no. If you say yes, then you have to give the information about that system landscape, right? So we say nay, no, okay, no, or nahi, or nah, okay. Then we say next. So it gives a summary. So I told that's the last step. So this is a summary. Now you are ready to install. So you are happy with all this setup. Whatever you are given is here. So you can do a final checkup. You have enough time in the office to check everything, right? Right. So make sure everything is fine. Then you say start. Okay. And come back after 12 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. We don't know. So now you can take a break and we'll meet again.